Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Nonhlanhla, Nairobi, Mashalaba. I'm the founder of Nyeleti hair care. Our products, we offer products for hair care range. We have 5 products, which is the hair cream, detangling spray, shampoo, conditioner, and we offer natural ingredients in our products. You can get hold of us on WhatsApp. The number is 084-393-8583. We are on Facebook under Nonhlanhla Nairobi, and then on Instagram it's Nubian_Nairobi. Twitter it's Nubian_Nairobi. I am Nonhlanhla Nairobi, and I'm a township entrepreneur.